personal food reviewer. So, what do you think after you've finished
I can't believe
eating?
it. It's so delicious. I would honestly say if anybody made this, even if they fell a little bit short of this, they would still have a very delicious meal. Like sweet and sour in Canada, sweet and sour meatballs. It's simple, it's basic, hard to get wrong, very, very nice. This is in a different, but you would, I doubt you would get it in a high-end restaurant. If someone said you like sweet and sour, but somebody wanted a more complex meal with a more complex flavor because of the amount of ingredients in it that you would expect in a high-end restaurant, I'd say this is it. Cooked to perfection. I wouldn't change anything. I would say to anybody, if you want this meal more fiery, take the hot red peppers and instead of taking them out like I did, cut them up very fine and leave them in the meal, and it will really set this thing on fire. It's absolutely delicious. This
Yeah.
could be served in a high-end restaurant and everybody would be happy. And I think anybody giving this meal a chance and trying it would be extremely happy. My only criticism would be I have none with my meal because my sweetheart took out all the bones. I don't know how she did that because it's a very bony fish, but I didn't have one bone. So yeah, without the bones, it's absolutely delicious. 10 out of 10.
Thank you so much, honey.
I've even saved some for somebody else. I didn't even want to finish it. Why? Because it's that good. It should be shared. Somebody else had to experience it. It's so good.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.